Okay, this is a BMW X3 with an M54, and I want to show you a trick on reinstalling this alternator. So when you have the alternator, you pried it out, and it was kind of, difficult to take off, but it's manageable. But when you put it back in, it's almost impossible. I mean, yeah, I do have one hand moving on it, but it's going to be almost impossible to reinstall because of the clearance. So take it back out, and here's the trick. You see there is this bushing sleeve which is attached to the alternator bracket, and what it does is when you tighten the alternator, it pulls it in and you have zero clearance. So what you have to do is spray this sleeve, get all that dirt and debris out of there, and you can use a vise, or what I do is I put the old screw back in, finger tight, not all the way because you need that clearance, and then you get a hammer and you just tap it on the back side on the bolt. Can't do this with one hand. Put it on the floor. Okay, I have two hands on it. I'm gonna tap it. Just be careful because you do not want to hit it too hard. Okay, perfect. Now, you see the little sleeve moved a little bit. That's all you need. If you hit it too hard, you may crack the casing. So the best to do it is on the vise, but I do not have one at this moment. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Now you can see that it will go in there real easy with no force, and you will stop battling for minutes trying to get this back in because of that little trick.